the meat. You know the.
He told me, oh, I don't like lamb. I don't like lamb. And I grilled some small chops up on the grill. And I gave him one. And he's like, oh my God. And he took two more. I was like, yeah, it's the right lamb and it's cooked right.
No,
It's
if
raw.
ano, I eat lamb if you know, if I cannot smell the smell of it, yeah. If I can taste it, oh my god, I cannot. Ano sa kabrex? Giho kabrex?
That's what he remembered when he was young. The smell of lamb being cooked in his neighborhood. That's what he tasted it. He's like, oh my God, that's